Hey guys, this is Sam here with South Hills Lincoln. Today I'm going to talk to you about, I got a bone to pick with this video. I've been waiting for months and months to talk about this, but I've been waiting months and months for us to get something in that fits this description. Today I'm going to talk to you about the 2022 Aviator Jet package. This is a brand new package they had for the second half of 2022, and they're going to start making it from the 2023s. But I'm sitting in this gorgeous Jet package Aviator right now. I'm going to go all the way over to the end of the lot so I can show you guys in a very vehicle-free setting the background of this vehicle and everything that's included in the Jet package. All right, guys. So here we are, Jet package 2022 Lincoln Aviator. What comes on the Jet package? A lot of people are familiar with something called the monochromatic package that Lincoln's been putting on the Aviators, the Nautilus, and the Navigator. The monochromatic package gives you lots of exterior elements in just the body color as opposed to black or matte black or some sort of a chrome finish. Especially the grille, which so many people are used to seeing being aluminum finish or something like that. Seeing a body color grille with a silver logo in the middle, it really pops on the road. And that's something that, coming from, you know, a suburban family with 3 siblings, that's something I always loved about SUVs. The bigger the vehicle, the more chances you have in designing it to make the exterior of it really stand out in a parking lot. And that's something that this package is entirely designed to do. It's purely exterior and cosmetic. Jet package was the most clever dad pun Lincoln probably has ever put out in terms of the Aviator. You know, jets, flying, aviators. You know, jet is reference to the name of the color jet black. So you're gonna get black everything, 22-inch black aluminum wheels, a black grille insert, black plinth and surround, black fender and door badging, black mirror caps, black front and rear door spears, black glass surrounds, and black roof rails as well. A lot of these were, like I said, they were chrome finish, maybe aluminum or silver finish. On the Aviator in different colors with the Jet package, people think it looks extremely sharp. I personally think it was an excellent idea for Lincoln to add this package. Now, what are you gonna get on the Jet package that's body color instead of black, Sam? Is everything in the world of the Jet package Aviator purely black? No, there are a couple things. Whatever color that Aviator is with the Jet package that you get, and I'm gonna tell you guys also what colors you can get this on. But you're gonna get a body color lower front and rear fascia, body color door badging, and body color wheel lips as well. And that just begs the question, body color? What body color? What body colors are we allowed to get this on? Okay, so obviously, Infinite Black is one of them. The other ones are Silver Radiance, Diamond Red Trico, which is a brand new color. I made a video about the new colors. I'm gonna link that in the description as well as Pristine White. I cannot wait to see what this package looks like on the Diamond Red Tricoat. I'm in love with that color. I don't know about you guys. Now, a couple things I'd like to disclose. This package is only available on the Reserve trim. I've talked about the other trims in other Aviator videos we've done. There's another package I mentioned at the beginning of this video called the monochromatic package. That is no longer available on the Aviator. They are replacing it with the Jet package, which means no more monochrome. You go home, monochrome. I don't know why exactly this is, but you cannot get the Jet package on the Aviator without also getting a safety package called Lincoln Copilot 360 1.5 Plus. But that's the Jet package, Aviator Infinite Black. I'm gonna go inside the vehicle and wrap this thing up. Let me know what you guys think of this package on the Aviator. Was it a good idea for them to drop the monochromatic package and replace it with this one? What do you think the Jet package looks like? Do you like it? Let me know in the comments below. I always love to hear what you guys have to say. Have you had the chance to drive an Aviator? If not, give us a call at 724-941-1600 and always ask for Sam. We have like 15 or 20 of these that are on the way and available. If you want to reserve one or you're very interested in this vehicle, you're welcome to do that. We also take orders on them. If you're interested in one or more of these things, give us a call at 724-941-1600. And again, always ask for Sam or extension 522. Other than that, I'm a little new here. I feel like in like a year or two, I'm still going to be saying that in these videos. I'm a little new here, but I'm a little new here and I want to work with as many people as humanly possible. So I will pay you for every person who comes in and buys from me saying you referred them. If they come in and buy from me and we know you referred them, we will send you a check. For anyone who doesn't want a brand new Lincoln, we have a very generous and impressive pre-owned inventory, most of which are Lincoln certified. We have a Ford store I can sell through as well. And again, for anyone who does not live near Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, we do deliver. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching. Stay safe and enjoy the rest of your day.